Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Liberty 4 earbuds that were sent over to me by Soundcore themselves. So these are Soundcore's newest earbuds in their Liberty lineup, and these have a lot going for them on paper. The pricing starts at $149.99 and they come in two colors, Midnight Black and Cloud White. What do these have going for them? Well, let's get all the specs out of the way first, and then we can get into how they sound. For features wise, they offer spatial audio, they have high-res audio support, they also support active noise cancellation and transparency mode, which just like all their other earbuds is very good. So if you're wondering how their performance is when it comes to that aspect, you will definitely not be let down. And they have a heart rate sensor inside the Soundcore app. When it comes to battery life, they have 9 hours on one single charge and 28 hours total using the case. Now when it comes to the case, it also has support for wireless charging, so that is very cool to see. Now with all the specs out of the way, the first thing I want to talk about is comfort and how they fit in your ears. Well, with their new ear tips, they do feel very comfortable, and even when you shake your head, at least for me and my ear shape, they did not fall out of my ear and they fit very snugly but not too far deep in your ear canal towards where they start hurting. So that is definitely a pro. When it comes to how long they last, the battery life is around what they estimated. I got around, 8 hours of playback time in the span of like the 3 days of me using them. So it is pretty accurate to that 9 hours on a single charge. Now when it comes to the heart rate sensor, well, it works. I mean, it's kind of a gimmick in my opinion. I don't really see the need for it, but in the app you can check your heart rate and you can also check how many calories you burn when you work out. You can start your workout that way. So it is sort of a gimmick, but for the people that want it or want to use it, hey, it's there for those people. So, not too bad. When it comes to spatial audio, I do not like spatial audio at all. I think it makes my head hurt and it just does not sound good. So I kind of don't really have an opinion on this one because, like I said, it makes my head hurt, so I don't really like using it. But it does do spatial audio and it's definitely spatial audio. That's all I can really say about that. But I wanted to spend some time to talk about the sound quality, because I feel like a lot of the Soundcore earbuds have the same problem, and that is the highs on these earbuds are super harsh. Now they sound great when it comes to the mids and lows, which is like the bass or the instrumental part, but the instant the person singing has sort of a high-pitched voice, or they start using words with the S syllable or anything like that, it crushes it and it just peaks so loud in your ears and it honestly hurts. I can't really listen to music that long with these earbuds with like normal volume, because the S sounds and stuff like that, they just like are super in your face and it's too much at times. And this has been a problem since the Liberty 3 Pros they sent me a while back, and it's still here. And I guess it's just how they are tuned. I'm not too sure what's going on, but that is definitely still a problem when it comes to the earbuds, which is quite sad because when it comes to the mids and lows, right out the box, the audio experience is great. The lows are very nice, but they don't muffle the vocals and they're not super heavy where they muddy out the sound or anything like that. And the mids are crisp and clean, and everything about these earbuds is very crispy audio. But then when you get to the highs, it just, it just falls apart. It hurts my ears. It's just too in your face. It's like ear piercing at times. So that's literally the only problem with these earbuds that I can think of after using them for a while. Other than that, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below if you still wanted to buy them. Let me know what you guys think about these earbuds in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.